Hello everyone. Welcome back to another amazing video on how you can generate unlimited images like this. Using the free AI image generating platform. Open your favorite browser and search for playground.ai. And go to this site. Once you go to the site, you should create an account like this. After you have finished created your account, you will see an interface like this. From here you can generate your images, and you will find different kind settings in this site. And you can test them as you wish. Once you have adjust your setting as preferred, like number of images to generate, the model to generate the images. You can provide your prompt here to generate the images. And I will generate some realistic images like this to show you all. Once the images have been generated, you can download them. So, like that way you can generate unlimited images for free using Playground AI. So, if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. So see you in the next video. Good luck.